Hi, I'm Matt Nyer. I'm a senior applications engineer for Makino. In today's tech tip, we're going to talk to you about how can we limit the amount or values put into our tool data table. So when we talk about limiting the values on our tool data table, we're talking about our H geometry, H wear, D geometry, and D wear. Okay. So the process for doing this, we're going to actually have to change some pro level passwords, pro level parameters. So we're going to go to our parameter screen, which we hit the top right corner here. We come down to parameter. Okay. We're going to do an unlock with PRO. And we're going to do a number search. And we're going to type 2023. Once we search to this location, you're going to see we have some inputs here. So we have inputs, basically maximum and minimum inputs for our tool length, tool wear, min and max, and then our tool diameter, min and max as well. You do have wear values, corner R and corner R wear as well, if there's some values there that you use. So what we're going to do is today we're going to limit our H geometry wear values for the plus and the minus, and we'll do the D geometry just for the heck of it. So we come to parameter 2024. This is set at a maximum value of minus 999.9999. We're going to say, you know what? I'm going to do, let's say, minus 1. Okay, make it easy. And we're going to do a plus 1. And then we're going to do the same for our tool diameter wear, and we're going to do the same for our maximum tool diameter wear. So after this is set, okay, we can remove our lock, and it would be hard-coded. Now, if I go to my H wear value and I go to input mode and I try to put 0.5 in, no problem. Okay, we set it at 1. So if I try to put 1.5 in, you notice now we get the set value range is -1 to 1. It does not allow me to put that in. Okay, we zero that. It's basically the same thing here on our D geometry or our D wear as well. All good for there. We try to go over the amount and we get set value ranges -1 to 1.0. Okay. If we want to set this back to what it was originally, we come back to our parameter page. We would come in, we would re-unlock with our pro password. And we're going to set this back to -9999 and 4 nines, 999 and 4 nines. And I might cheat, do a Control C, Control B, Control B, and we'll make this a minus. Now we're back to standard values. We can turn our password lock off, and we're back to where we were. That was today's tech tip for limiting our input values for our H wear and D wear on our tool data page.